Hello guys, do you like wearing jeans? Here is Aufar channel, who makes denim fabric from China. Today we would like to introduce two denim fabric for you. One is for men, the other is for lady. The first design is for ladies. You can see this is blue, gray, and black. Very beautiful hidden slop and very soft hand feel. It comes with a very high stretch effects, very perfect for the skinny. And this is for men collection. This one is blue, gray, and black color with very clear slop for men casual. So you can see a bit hard and the medium low stretch, and with a very good stretch, very good quality for men, very good. If you have any inspirations, please leave a message to us. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.